DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money. Okay, back in July of 2023, just a month or so ago, Volt Carbon, TORVF, released this news, and it was largely overlooked. But look what happened. They did 370 cycles of their lithium battery at nearly 100% capacity. That is unheard of. Nobody gets that. This is huge, guys. Here's a chart. Look at this. This is insane. 370 cycles, and look at this. They're at still 100%. A cycle is when you charge a battery and then completely discharge it. So they did this 370, and usually what happens is the battery will, lose some of its capacity. This didn't after 370 cycles. Amazing. Okay, and get this. There's some rumors of some major companies, we're talking billion-dollar companies, that have expressed interest in these results. So I think one of them is going to be getting a sample or a prototype, and they're going to do testing on it. But we're talking huge companies, guys. Well-known names. All right. Okay, here's a little more about this company. They are OTCQB, which is the highest rating you can get. They're in Canada, so they actually trade on the Canadian exchange also. And what they're into is graphite purification, battery development, and acquisition of property interests that are potential sites for future mining opportunities. They have mineral rights to multiple molybdenum properties and also a lithium property in Canada, in Ontario. Verified profile, 12B certified, transfer agent certified, independent directors. I mean, these guys are top shelf, okay? Here's a couple of screenshots from their site. Solid state batteries, that's the latest tech. And they also have this carbon graphite air classifier, which is really amazing. We'll talk about that in a second. And here's their team. This is V-Bond Lee. This guy's a genius, and this is their laboratory. Okay, here's more information on V-Bond Lee. He's the executive officer, president, chairman of the board. He's a professional engineer with 30 years of leading-edge product development and engineering. Worked for huge companies, Sumitomo, United, General Electric, director of engineering. He's had several patents. I mean, this guy's a genius, okay? Anyway, he's the guy that developed this stuff. Okay, on August 16th, just a few days ago, they released news that they got a 27-ton graphite bulk sample for processing. Now, this is for their air qualifier, okay? They've got two main things. They've got the battery development and this air qualifier, which is huge. So they got this order to process these. Internal analysis, 96.1% purity, 98% total purity. Okay, and this graphite air qualifier uses air. Everybody else uses a wet process using toxic chemicals. And so this is a major development, okay? Here we have an unprecedented level of graphitic carbon purity. So at $50,000 per ton is what they're going to get, times 27. That's 1.35 million bucks, guys. That's the revenues they're looking at initially. Okay, here's DDAmanda. This shows the trading data. I'm just going to summarize this. People have started to notice here the chart. She hasn't really done anything. People she just fell through the cracks. And we've always loved this company. She's got a 200-day high here of 9 cents way back in November. So it's been a whole year. Uh, anyway, and then she had a 200-day low of 4 cents. Closed on Friday at 574 at the high. So I'm thinking this thing is really going to do well, okay? So that's the video, and thanks for watching. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money. Here's just a few examples of stocks that DDAmanda found. Here you got a 5-factor scan alert. Next day she's up 59%. Now all this is on the right side here is just 200 days worth of trading data. You have your date, your dollars traded, the price it closed at, this factor that's proprietary to the program. This is how we find these. The volume, the low of the day, high of the day open, and then percentage up or percentage down. LVGI. 200-day low scan alert, and look at this drag ratio maxed out, up 50% and then 75%. IGEX 200-day low scan alert, 7-factor, next day up 47%. Again, another 200-day low scan alert, up the next day 106%. These are easy to find with our scanner. So if you want to make money trading stocks, DDAmanda is your answer.